Welcome back to Celebrities in History. Today, we're uncovering 20 mind-blowing, weird, and wonderful celebrity events that happened on October 7 throughout history. From iconic births to unforgettable premieres, this date is packed with surprises that'll make you say, "No way that all happened on October 7." So grab your popcorn and get ready for a star-studded journey through time. Number 20. On October 7, 1951, rock legend John Mellencamp was born. Turning 72 today, he's still rocking stages with hits like Jack and Diane, proving good music never ages. Number 19. Happy 68th birthday to cello virtuoso Yo-Yo Ma, born on October 7, 1955. His strings continue to enchant audiences worldwide, making classical music cool for generations. Number 18. Music mogul Simon Cowell was born on this day in 1959. At 64, he's the sharp-tongued judge who gave us One Direction and countless unforgettable TV moments. Number 17. R&B icon Toni Braxton celebrates her 56th birthday today. Born October 7, 1967, she's unbreaking our hearts with timeless hits and showing that talent only gets better. Number 16. Thom Yorke, Radiohead's enigmatic frontman, was born on October 7, 1968. Turning 55, he's still challenging norms with haunting vocals and music that makes us think. Number 15. American Idol winner Taylor Hicks was born on this day in 1976. At 47, the silver-haired singer proves soulful tunes and charisma never go out of style. Number 14. British singer and TV personality Alicia Dixon turns 45 today. Born October 7, 1978, she's dazzling us as a judge on Britain's Got Talent and shining on stage. Number 13. Soccer star Diego Costa was born on October 7, 1988. Turning 35, he's scoring goals and keeping us entertained with his fiery passion on the field. Number 12. On this day in 1916, Georgia Tech annihilated Cumberland College 222-0 in football. Coach John Heisman set a record that's still unbroken and absolutely jaw-dropping. Number 11. Cats opened on Broadway on October 7, 1982. Running for 18 years, this musical proved audiences can't resist catchy tunes and feline finesse, or 9 lives. Number 10. Arnold Schwarzenegger was elected governor of California on this day in 2003. From Terminator to Governator, he turned movie catchphrases into political promises. Number 9. On October 7, 1849, literary genius Edgar Allan Poe died at age 40. His mysterious death remains as haunting as his tales of the macabre. Number 8. Tenor Mario Lanza passed away on this day in 1959 at age 38. His powerful voice made opera mainstream, and his legacy hits high notes today. Number 7. The Flash sped onto TV screens on October 7, 2014. The fastest man alive became a fan favorite, adding lightning speed to our superhero lineup. Number 6. Real Steel, starring Hugh Jackman, was released on this day in 2011. Robot boxing packed an emotional punch, proving even metal can have a heart. Number 5. On October 7, 2005, Wallace and Gromit, The Curse of the Were-Rabbit premiered. The Clay duo took us on a hair-raising adventure, making veggies exciting. Number 4. The Girl on the Train hit theaters on this day in 2016. Emily Blunt turned commuting into a thrilling mystery ride that kept us on edge. Number 3. Political drama, The Ides of March, was released on October 7, 2011. George Clooney and Ryan Gosling showed us the gritty backstage of politics. Number 2. On this day in 2018, Jodie Whittaker debuted as the first female doctor in Doctor Who. She took us on new adventures, shattering time and gender barriers. Number 1. Happy 44th birthday to twins Sean and Aaron Ashmore, born on October 7, 1979. From X-Men to Smallville, these brothers double our entertainment value. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through October 7's most astonishing celebrity events. If you enjoyed this trip through time, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Don't miss out on more surprising celeb facts coming your way.